Hello and welcome. My name is Gary Garnett from TopIMTraining.com. Today I'm doing a testimonial for Aaron Danker and his team, Jeffrey and Natalia, who do a really good job of customer support for Aaron. Today I want to show you Newbie Lessons. Now, this is one of the best programs I've ever bought online, so pay attention. Here's the opt-in page. It says, get instant access to over 300 plus how-to videos that show you how to set up your online business empire to make $100 to $200 a day and how you can get started today without quitting your day job. So you just put in your email address and then you click here to get started now. So once you do that, you're going to be taken to the sales page, and there's a video there that you can watch. Now, if you wanted to scroll down here, you can see all the things that it teaches you, like web hosting tutorials, cPanel tutorials, FTP tutorials, HTML web design tutorials, CSS styling tutorials, PayPal tutorials, JVZoo tutorials, ClickBank tutorials, affiliate marketing tutorials, Amazon affiliate tutorials, Warrior Forum tutorials, social media 2, list building, Aweber, GetResponse, product launch 2, video creation, freelancing tutorials, SEO, AdWords, mini sites, graphic design tutorials, WordPress. There's a bunch for WordPress here. Google tools, webmaster tools like zip files, PDFs. So, and then there's a bunch of bonuses down here as well. So there's all kinds of stuff that you can get here, and it's only $19.95. And it's got all the basic training you need to do. So many things, just unbelievable. And now I'm going to show you inside the office where all the videos are, just so you know what it looks like. So here's what you get once you buy it. All right, here we are. We're inside my back office. You can see all the same things that were on the sales page. And all you have to do is just click on one of them, and it'll take you right to the video. And web hosting HostGator. Okay, so now it's going to start playing. I'm just going to pause it. And we'll go, see there's WordPress, cPanel, FTP, all the same ones that I showed you on the sales page. If you wanted to find out about Aweber, anything you want to know, creating a new list, just click on that. And it's going to go right to the video. So I think this is one of the very best programs you could possibly get if you're starting online with just getting a website up and running or starting internet marketing. So I'm going to pause that. So anyways, that's pretty much it for this product, and I suggest that you go out and get it. It's awesome, and Aaron gives you absolutely fantastic products and really great super support. So thanks for watching.